Hey everyone, welcome back to Code of the Row. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get a horse and have it follow you when you whistle. It'll go directly to your location. And if I whistle again, it'll come directly to me. And let's get started. So what you're going to do is go over to your character player blueprint. And if you're using the ultimate, you're going to have to parent up to the full sample. So I'll click this pencil icon to open the parent. And then I'll click it again to open ACF full player. And now what you're going to want to do is open your event graph and then double click on handle whistle for it to just take you directly to this function, and you'll see it something like this. And now what I'm going to do is just space this out a bit and add a spawn group, and I'll take off context sensitive, and this is what's going to cause the horse to spawn. And now for the target, I'm not going to drag it out. I'm actually just going to right click in the open and search for get component by class. And make sure you select the singular one, not the plural one. So just get one singular component. And you're going to notice that you can't connect this return value to the target yet because we need to select our component class. And for this, I will select ACF companion group AI. And we need to drag this out, get local ACF player controller. And that's because we're not going to do the character. We're going to do the controller. Oh, we got to connect this. Compile, save all. And the reason why we're getting player controller is because if you go to your map and go to your player controller class and double click on it, there's a companions component here. And you're going to notice that in the details tab under AI spawn, it's going to show your horse. And now I'll go back to the map and try this out. So when I hit 4, it'll spawn the horse. And now the horse is already chasing me. And if I were to run away from it and click 4 from here, you're going to notice that he's going to try to go around those squares and look around for me. And now he's booking it for me. And yeah, that's pretty much how you get your horse to follow you. Thanks for watching Code of the Row. Like, subscribe, comment below what you want to see next. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.